Imagine this data is your, your headcount data. This is the list of all the employees in your company. And this is the list of all the employees who were surveyed recently. Looks like some people were not surveyed, and you want to figure out who were those people who were not surveyed. Okay, so you can use VLOOKUP to identify such people. And to do that, all you need to do is you need to apply a VLOOKUP in your master data or your larger data set to identify the people in from this data who are missing in this one. Okay, so here's how you do that. I'm going to start off with equals to VLOOKUP. And since the employee IDs are all unique IDs, I can look up based on the employee IDs. Okay, and I can simply come down here and select all the employee IDs from here. Okay, I'm looking for the employee IDs from here, comma 1, comma 0, close the bracket and press enter. If this person was surveyed and is part of this list, the VLOOKUP will return their employee ID. I think I missed out on one thing. I need to go back to F2 and I'll need to make sure that the table, this column is locked. I'm going to press F4 to lock it, press enter. Okay, now if I come back here and drag this down, I will get to know who all are missing from this table. Everybody who is in the table has their employee IDs returned, but people who were not surveyed, they're missing from this list. That's why you have #NA here, which basically means that VLOOKUP was not able to find this employee ID in this list. So this is one very quick method of identifying missing people from your data set.